This is Steve Quillian from Wood Window Makeover. I'm going to teach you how to make the mortise and tenon joint.
Artisan Army forever!
I'm going to use an element of the archetypal window to do that. It's going to be the screen frame. Ta-da! There's no better object on your historic house to learn how to make a mortise and tenon joint. Mortise and tenon joints are ubiquitous. They're everywhere, right? And they apply to everything. Why don't we go find some? This is a flat panel, you know, with wood panels in there. That's made using mortise and tenon joinery. That's pretty cool. I mean, imagine this would be a screen frame. You put screen fabric over it instead of the wood panel. Same thing. Why does a mortise and tenon matter? Well, because it is like the absolute strongest way, most practical way you can join two pieces of wood like that on a perpendicular. You see that? Look at this. Boom. See that right there? These pegs are holding together this mortise and tenon joint. They've been using mortise and tenon joints since like Egyptian times. Probably before Egyptian times, right? So Roman times, you know, that kind of stuff. Ah, there's something else. Follow me. Look at all the mortise and tenons in this thing. Look. And isn't it interesting that that tenon is centered in that leg right there? Oh, look, see, it's pinned so it can't come out. Mortise and tenon, so applicable. I can't wait to teach you. I'm going to have 10 lessons. This is the first one. Mortise and tenons are everywhere.